Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 75. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com or you can also check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 75. We will start from 1. 75 divided by 1 is 75. So 1 and 75 are the divisors of 75. Next, number 2 does not divide this number as this is an odd number. So we will try for 3, and 75 divided by 3 is 25. Hence, 3 and 25 are the divisors of 75. Next comes 4, but this number also does not divide 75. So we will try for 5. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So 5 and 15 are the divisors of 75. Now there is no number between 5 and 15 which can divide this number. So we will stop right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 75 in orange colors. These numbers are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So the total number of divisors of 75 is 6. Now look at these divisors. See that 3 and 5 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this particular number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 75 are 3 and 5. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.